Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11. And for this we go to the search bar and search for control panel. Click on control panel, then click on network and internet, and then click on network and sharing center. Then from here we go to change adapter settings, and then right click here on the Wi-Fi and go to properties. Then from here we click on configure, and then from here go to driver and click on update driver. Now click on search, automatically search for driver updates, and now it says the best driver for your device are already installed. So that is what we want. Click this away, and then what we need to do now is go to your Wi-Fi, click on the arrow, right mouse click on your Wi-Fi and then do properties. Then right now we go to the network band, and right now if you can see it's 2.4. You need to change this to 5G on your router, and after you did that we need to do one single step, and then you will see immediately that your speed or your connection from your internet goes up. So what we need to do now is click this away and go back to the control panel right here, and then we go to advanced, and then make sure that the 2.4 is on auto, that the 5 GHz is on auto too. Then we go to band selection, take this to 5G and go to roaming aggressiveness and make this medium high. Right now if you click on OK and you restart your PC, you will see that your speed is up, and this is a great way to speed up your internet on Windows 11. I don't have the 5G on my router because I'm using an old router, but if you will do this, you will see difference. So from now, thanks for watching, have a wonderful day and ciao.